It's very summer-like out there, but it won't be long before we get a taste of fall again.
That's right. We'll look to see some cooler temperatures here as we head into the weekend and, into next week as well. But today, definitely feeling like summer out there. We'll look to see kind of a good mixture of sun and clouds here throughout the afternoon, but we are tracking some storms for later on this evening. Right now, live look at your Lewiston Auto camera from Assisi Heights, looking towards downtown. You can see kind of that good mixture there of sun and cloud cover here across the area. Temperature-wise, we're really warming up, mainly into the upper 70s, low 80s here for this afternoon is what we're currently at. So mainly 81 in Rochester, Austin, Albert Lee, 82 degrees in Mason City, La Crosse already at 86 degrees. So definitely warming up out there. But as we check in with those dew points, this is definitely one of those days that's going to make you say oofta when you step outside. We're looking at those dew points mainly into the low 70s across the area, a little bit back into the mid and upper 60s into Rushford and Preston, but otherwise low 70s here all across the board. Winds pretty light, mainly about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll see them pick up a little bit more here as we head into this afternoon. But as we continue throughout today, we are definitely looking at a warm and humid Friday. As we head into this evening, we are looking at some strong to possibly severe storms to enter into the region, kind of definitely shaking up our evening hours. As we head into the weekend, though, we are looking at some milder conditions, mainly into the 70s, but overall it's going to be pretty pleasant, especially after a warm day like today. So things staying pretty quiet here across the area, just dealing with some pesky clouds throughout the day, but otherwise things staying quiet here for the early afternoon. Now, as we head into this evening, we do have that chance for some severe weather in the area. For the most part, a good chunk of the KTTC viewing area under a slight risk, so that's in the yellow area. That slight risk indicating a level 2 out of a level 5 risk for severe weather. So we do have that chance for some isolated storms to become strong to severe, and we do kind of have a lingering marginal risk then for some of our easternmost counties. So in terms of the threats that we're going to be seeing here for tonight, the main threat looking to be winds is our biggest concern. We could still see the possibility for some hail as well, heavy rainfall. That risk for tornadoes looking pretty low, but for the most part, winds will be our main concern here for tonight. Best timing looking to see those storms entering towards about that 6:30, 7 o'clock hour from the west, and then kind of pulling towards the southeast. So we'll look to see that risk kind of entering from about 7 to 1 a.m. So definitely make sure to stay very sky aware here, especially when you head home from work this evening. So as we kind of time things out here with our future cast, look to stay quiet throughout the next several hours. But as we enter towards about that 6:30, 7 o'clock hour, we'll start to see that line of some strong to severe thunderstorms kind of enter into the viewing area, pulling throughout a good chunk of your evening, kind of starting to enter towards the Rochester area by about 8, 9 o'clock. And then we'll see that continue to pull through the region and kind of exiting our area by about midnight, 1 o'clock. So then we'll stay quiet throughout the overnight hours. And then as we enter into your Saturday, good news is we will look to stay pretty quiet throughout the day, looking at plenty of sunshine. Temperatures, though, on the cooler side, so a little bit below normal. We'll look to see them kind of mainly sticking towards about the mid to upper 70s. Then good news is we'll look to see very similar conditions as we enter into Sunday as well. So for today, we'll look to see those temperatures topping off mainly into about the mid 80s. So we're definitely looking at a warm, humid day. For tonight, then, we'll look to see those temperatures kind of falling back into the upper 50s once that cold front kind of pulls through and those temperatures are allowed to cool down. So again, stay very sky aware. We do have that potential for strong to severe thunderstorms here for our evening hours. Good news is tomorrow then looking pretty quiet, plenty of sunshine, definitely less humid, temperatures mainly into the mid 70s. As we check out that extended forecast, things are going to stay pretty pleasant, very comfortable throughout the week ahead, looking at plenty of sunshine. Maybe our next chance for some activity looks to be maybe next week, next Friday.
Yeah. So after tonight, it's a long, quiet stretch there.
Yeah, that's right. So definitely make sure to stay very sky aware. Make sure that you have a way to receive multiple ways to receive warnings, and just pay attention, stay tuned.
Our amazing weather team will be on it. Thank you.